So I've been working on setting up my home office for a few months now, and it's slowly, very slowly but surely coming together. And I thought today I would give you a bit of a tour. And I actually need your advice. Desperately need your advice on how to finish bringing the rest of it together. So this is how things are looking when you first walk in. Okay, I've got the desk on this side, and the reason is because I love the natural light coming in, and I didn't want to compromise on the light because I spend so much time on Zoom calls. I may as well do a mini desk tour while I'm here. I've got my standing desk from Desky, got my laptop stand from Deska. I'm definitely going for a specific color theme here, if you couldn't tell. This is stuff I just need to move away. I've got a bunch of books that are going to go on the bookshelves. I got this desk mat from Ankle Studios. Highly recommend, it's amazing. Okay, so that's the desk. And then I've got this shelf, which has, at the moment, absolutely nothing in it because I just put it up last week. So I'm gonna put books on here, but I also wanna put some nice decorative pieces on here. I just added some houseplants, which have honestly turned this place around. Like, it feels like a totally different place now that I have plants. It's incredible. So I think I want a few more little ones. Then I have some floating shelves that I am yet to put up. So I've got 2 white ones and 1 brown one. I don't know what possessed me to get 2 different colors. I thought it could look cool because everything in here is brown and white. So I thought I'd get brown and white shelves. This is where I need your help. Like, either I can put them horizontal, so 1, 2, 3. I could put them like stacked 1, 2, 3. Maybe I could put them like diagonal, and that could be funky. But I obviously want to get a bunch of artwork for here as well. So I thought maybe if I put them horizontal, the artwork like wouldn't have a nice place to go. This is looking sad, very sad. This chair needs to go, it's rubbish. And then I've got this very sad looking couch, which is also a sofa bed. I want to set this up as a place where I can film videos and have like a really nice aesthetic background. I've got incredible storage, which I'm not going to go through. I'll quickly show you. Incredible storage. That's also an absolute mess at the moment. But yes, that's it. It's my office tour.